Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, viewers? This is GS Aki. Today I have come for you with the history of Sarai Sidhu, Tehsil Kabirwala district, Khanewal, Punjab, Pakistan. So let's start the history of Sarai Sidhu. Sarai Sidhu is an ancient historical town located 1 kilometer south of River Ravi and 25 kilometer north of Kabirwala district, Khanewal, Punjab, Pakistan. It is said that 325 years before BC, Alexander the Great fell ill when he reached Multan. His physician was called to Multan from Sarai Sidhu. If this is true, then it can be said that this town has been inhabited for 2500 years. Ramchandraji, Lakshman and Sita ji spent about 10 years near Sarai Sidhu on the banks of the river Ravi, where their traces are still extant. King Sher Shah Suri used to stay at Sarai Sidhu whenever he left Multan for Lahore. He dug a well and built a mosque. He also built Sarai Sidhu Matital Multan Road, which is called General Road of Sher Shah Suri. It has been a tehsil for about 112 years, from about 1825 AD Sikh period to 1937 English period. The first tehsildar's name was Rai Angad Khan. In 1825, the police station was set up and a primary school was opened in 1850. During the reign of Nawab Muzaffar Khan Sadozai in 1809, this area constituency was assigned Shah Shuja. There was a majority of Hindus and Sikhs here after the formation of Pakistan. They were replaced by Rajput. Before the partition of India, the Hindu Lekha family of Sarai Sidhu used to be Lambardar, and later the Rajput who migrated in their place became Lambardar. If we talk about development and administration, there are 2 degree colleges, high schools for boys and girls, RSC, Nadra office, MEPCO subdivision, police station and post office, etc. Written by G.S. Aki. Thank you. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.